All right, you guys, I am in my greenhouse. Let me give you some updates. So I just showed you the yams outside. Here's the yams in the bucket. So there's nothing sprouting yet, but that's okay. Now you guys saw how good it was doing outside. So we're learning a lot here, aren't we, you guys? Okay, so I might have to move these yams outside in the ground too. That big yam that we rooted. Here's the Grantees greens here. And then here's my onions. And then we have our lettuce here. They're holding on. Cilantro, basil. And I actually had them moved up here. But I'm thinking in the daytime it might be too warm. I'm not sure what's going on, but I just want to make sure I'm bringing them back down low to kind of baby them a little bit more down here. My lettuce is just beautiful, as you guys see. I'm so proud of it. Here's my sweet bell peppers that I planted before. Here's my one I just repotted, the small one. Now it's into this one. And look at that new little leaf there. You guys see down there at the bottom over to the right? Yes. Okay, these did not make it. And I'm thinking because I had rotated and moved it out of the spot, it was doing so well here for months, for right here in this area. So I'm not giving up on those yet. Okay, now here are my outside planted collard greens. Remember, I planted some from Home Depot outside, and I planted some inside. But here are the outside ones. Look at the little leaves are starting to grow. See over there in the back corner? The little leaves are looking like leaves, like collard green leaves. Yes, you guys, they're doing very well. And here are the ones that I planted in the Aero Garden. Look how they look out here. They are doing so beautifully. Look at my collard greens, you guys. They're getting really leafy. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they're really big. Look at this. So, yeah, I have a little dirt in my nails from planting, but look at my collard greens. Collard greens, collard greens. We gonna get some collard greens. Collard greens, collard greens. So anyway, that's the difference. Aero Garden in outside, outside planted collard greens, see? So the little bit slower process outside, of course, maybe because it's been cold, but this has been doing so lovely. So jump starting it in the Aero Garden is awesome. I really recommend that. My green beans, I don't know what's going on here. We added some nutrients and more food to them, so we're going to see if they can kind of rejuvenate themselves. I'm taking out the bad leaves here. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly what happened to these, but I'm not giving up on you guys. You guys are still my babies. Yes, you guys are. All right. Then I have my Brussels sprouts. Look how beautiful they're doing. Aren't they beautiful, you guys? They were jump started off in the Aero Garden as well. And I repotted them out here in a bigger container, and they're just doing very good. So they're doing very well. So think about it. Cold weather, these things are doing really good. Beans, Brussels sprouts, collard greens, you know, and lettuce. They're really doing really good in the cold weathers. And then, of course, your herbs, you know, they're doing good too. But yes, that's good to know. The bell peppers are doing pretty cool too. Really cool. Now, my cucumbers, oh my God, I don't know what happened to these babies, but we're not giving up on them either. There's a couple are still alive there. And we added more food. We added food to them as well. So hopefully we can try to save those, but that's okay. Because if it doesn't work, I will definitely jumpstart another one in the Aero Garden. And when the weather gets a little bit warmer, I'll bring them out. You know, maybe they'll do a little better. But yes, you guys. And my poor little tomato plant, yeah, I moved it up here too. And look what happened. So I'm not giving up on these either. The stems are very strong, but the leaves are dying. So I'm going to kind of watch these very closely, very carefully. So I'm kind of sad about that, but it's okay. It's all right. We're learning as we go along. So you guys stay tuned for my next edition of The Greenhouse at Mama Soul Kitchen. Yes, yes, everyone.